the authorities allowing that school to exist.
In 1963, Gartcosh became the strip finishing mill for Ravenscraig, 10 miles away. The steel arrives in coil and is then cold rolled into strip steel of the size and texture required by customers, mainly car manufacturers. Ravenscraig itself, the big mill, was built in the late 50s to meet the new demand for strip steel. The site chosen was Motherwell, the traditional heartland of Scottish Ireland. 1967, the newly formed British Steel Corporation took over the Ravenscraig complex. A huge investment has turned it into one of the leading plants in Europe. Once the steel leaves the main site, it goes on to one of the two finishing mills, Gartcosh or nearby the Earl. And it was in the rural setting of Gartcosh that BSC pioneered the strip steel which made the mill a market leader in supplying the car industry.
Very flexible, and it can be pressed into any type of shape without fractures occurring. It's a rephosphorized steel, and the car manufacturers went in for it in a big way, basically because the steel was a lighter gauge and it was stronger. You've got the wings here, the bonnets, the roof, the doors, which is full finish material of the highest quality available in this country, all produced in Gartcosh Works. When you get into a situation where Michel, especially, come and audit your factory from a quality standard point of view, and we pass it with flying colours, and they place a preference tag on their orders of Gartcosh finish steel, then that makes any workforce proud. We have proved that nobody else, no other cold reduction mill within the BSC can satisfy their requirements at this particular time. Consequently, this order book is lost to the British economy. And when that happens, and they still insist that Gartcosh work has to close, we are so frustrated that we can't find the words to describe it. And that's about it.